Are you ready to unleash your inner power and design the life you've always dreamed of? Tony Robbins says, "It is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. But what if you are not making a decision?" The truth is that every decision is a decision. For the next 30 days, you and I will be adopting the key principles and habits used by Tony Robbins himself. We'll be breaking free from those limitations and stepping into a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving. You have the power within you to break free from limitations and create the life you've always dreamed of. Are you ready to ignite your potential and transform your life? Let's get fired up. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. No more hitting snooze and dreading the day ahead. You're in control, and the first step is a morning routine that sets you up for success. Tony Robbins starts his day with a priming routine. We're going to do something very similar. For the next 30 days, we are adopting those techniques but modified slightly. Tony Robbins often says setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Now let's get crystal clear on what you truly desire. What areas of your life are screaming for change? What have you been tolerating that needs to be eliminated? What goals light a fire within you? What 3 areas do you want to transform using Tony Robbins' principles? Pause the video right now. I want you to write down 3 areas you want to transform using the power of Tony Robbins. This is about creating a roadmap to your ultimate success. Tony Robbins is here to guide you through it. Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day transformation. Today is all about setting the foundation for lasting change. We're going to dive deep into the power of clarity and how it can revolutionize your life. Many people go through life with a vague sense of what they want, but wishing isn't enough. To create the real change, you need laser-like focus. When you're clear about your goals, you're no longer lost at sea, tossed around by the waves of uncertainty. Clarity brings focus, and focus fuels action. What do you truly want to achieve in life? What are your deepest passions and desires? These are essential for unlocking your full potential. SMART goals, your blueprint for success. Now that you've begun to explore your deepest desires, it's time to translate them into concrete goals. But not just any goals, we're talking about SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 elements are crucial for creating goals that are clear, focused, and actionable. By setting SMART goals, you're creating a roadmap for success. You're providing yourself with a clear path to follow, complete with milestones to celebrate along the way. Write it down, make it real. You've identified your deepest desires and crafted them into SMART goals. Now it's time to take the crucial step of writing them down. When you write down your goals, you're making a commitment to yourself. Keep this contract visible. Let it serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Take this exercise a step further by visualizing yourself achieving each goal. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Day 2. Embrace the power of gratitude. Day 2 is all about harnessing the power of gratitude, a cornerstone of Tony Robbins' philosophy. Tony says, when you are grateful, fear disappears and abundance appears. Starting by asking yourself, what is awesome in my life? What makes me happy that I can show gratitude towards? If you're really grateful, show appreciation to them. Take 5 minutes each morning to write down 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. Feel the emotion as you write. This isn't just an exercise, it's a mindset shift that will flood your life with positivity and abundance. It's a powerful tool that Tony Robbins advocates. Day 3. The calm before the storm. Meditation. Day 3 is all about finding your inner peace through the practice of meditation. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and distractions. Meditation offers a sanctuary from the storm, a space to quiet the mind and reconnect with your inner self. Start with just a few minutes each morning. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. With consistent practice, you'll find that meditation becomes easier. You'll be better equipped to handle stress, make clearer decisions, and experience a deeper sense of peace and well-being. Day 4. Move your body, ignite your mind. Get ready to get physical on day 4. Today we're adding exercise to our morning routine. Your physical health is intrinsically linked to your mental health and overall well-being. When you move your body, you're not just strengthening your muscles, you're also boosting your brain power. Start with something you enjoy, and that fits into your lifestyle. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. You'll reap the countless physical, mental, and emotional benefits it has to offer. Day 5 through 7, consistency is key. Congratulations, you've made it to day 5. By now you've incorporated gratitude, meditation, and exercise into your morning routine. The key now is to stay consistent. Days 5 through 7 are all about solidifying these new habits and making them an integral part of your daily life. Building new habits takes time and effort. There will be days when you miss a meditation session or hit the snooze button. Just pick up where you left off and keep moving forward. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Welcome to week 2. We've laid a powerful foundation with our morning routine, and now it's time to shift our focus to another crucial aspect of transformation nutrition. The food you consume becomes the fuel that powers your body and mind. When you nourish your body with healthy, whole foods, you're providing it with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. Today, take a moment to reflect on your current eating habits. From this point forward, we're going to make a conscious effort to choose foods that nourish and support our transformation. Day 9 is all about the power of hydration. Often overlooked, water is essential for life and plays a vital role in countless bodily functions. Yet, many of us walk around in a constant state of dehydration, unaware of the impact it has on our energy levels, focus, and overall health. Today, make a commitment to prioritize hydration. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on it throughout the day. Make water your go-to beverage and experience the revitalizing power of hydration. Now that you understand the importance of fueling your body with healthy foods and staying hydrated, let's focus on creating a sustainable diet that supports your long-term transformation. This isn't about following restrictive fad diets or depriving yourself of the foods you enjoy. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes that become part of your lifestyle. Over the next 3 days, we're going to focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into our diet. Start by making small changes. Swap sugary cereals for a bowl of oatmeal with berries. Gradually increase your intake of fruits and vegetables with each meal. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Day 13 to 14, mindful eating, listen to your body. As we continue our journey towards a healthier relationship with food, let's shift our focus to mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, we often eat on the go, distracted by our phones, computers, or televisions. We scarf down our food without even tasting it, only to find ourselves feeling bloated and unsatisfied afterward. Mindful eating is about slowing down, paying attention to our food, and savoring each bite. It's about reconnecting with the pleasure of eating and listening to our body's hunger and fullness cues. Over the next 2 days, practice mindful eating with each meal. Put away all distractions and focus on your food. Notice the colors, textures, and aromas. Chew your food slowly and thoroughly, savoring each bite. As you eat, pay attention to your body's signals. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're comfortably satisfied. You might be surprised at how much more satisfied you feel when you eat mindfully. Day 15. The power of a positive mindset. Welcome to week 3. Today is all about cultivating a positive mindset, a key ingredient for lasting transformation. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world. It shapes your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even in the midst of difficulties. Believe in yourself and your potential to overcome obstacles. A positive mindset opens you up to a world of possibilities. Affirmations, reprogramming your subconscious. Tony Robbins is a huge believer in the power of affirmations to shape your reality. Affirmations aren't just words, they're declarations of your potential. It is a method to reprogram your subconscious mind and make you believe that you are what you want to be. Repeat these affirmations with conviction and emotion. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. Tony often says to do it with power. It's about changing your beliefs from inside out, so start believing that it is possible. Day 18 to 19, Visualization, creating your reality. Today we're exploring the power of visualization, used by top athletes and entrepreneurs. Visualization creates a clear mental picture of your goals. It activates neural pathways as if experiencing the outcome. This boosts your belief in achieving your goals. Set aside time daily to practice visualization. Find a quiet space, relax and close your eyes. Create a vivid mental picture of success. See it, feel it, hear it, and experience it now. Day 20 to 21. Never stop learning. As we approach the final week of our transformation journey, let's focus on the importance of continuous learning. Personal growth is an ongoing process, not a destination. To live a fulfilling and meaningful life, we must commit to lifelong learning. Learning doesn't have to be formal or academic. It's about expanding your knowledge, skills, and perspective in any way that excites you. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, attend workshops, travel to new places, have conversations with interesting people. The world is your oyster. Over the next 2 days, make a conscious effort to engage in activities that stimulate your mind and expand your horizons. Choose something you've always wanted to learn more about and dive in. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more you can contribute to the world around you. Time, your most valuable resource. Welcome to week 4. Time is our most valuable resource. It's finite and irreplaceable. Many of us waste it on distractions and procrastination. Effective time management is about making conscious choices. Are you using it wisely or squandering it? We're going to become masters of our time. Mastering the art of time blocking. Time blocking is a powerful technique for managing your schedule. Block out specific chunks of time for different activities. For example, an hour for email, 2 hours for focused work, and an hour for exercise. Be realistic and prioritize your tasks. Experiment with time blocking and see the transformation. The Pomodoro Technique. Let's add another tool to your time management arsenal. This technique helps you power through distractions and hyperfocus. Developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, it involves working in short, focused bursts with regular breaks. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work without distractions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. It breaks work into chunks, maintaining focus and motivation. Try it over the next 2 days and see the difference. Eliminate distractions, maximize focus. Distractions are everywhere in today's hyper-connected world. From buzzing phones to overflowing inboxes, it's easy to lose focus. Identify and minimize these distractions. Create a dedicated distraction-free workspace. Turn off notifications on your devices. Close unnecessary tabs or windows. Use website blockers to limit access to distracting sites. You'll be amazed at your increased focus and productivity. Day 29 of our 30-day transformation reflection. Congratulations, you've made it to day 29 of our 30-day transformation. You've come a long way, haven't you? You've embraced new habits, challenged old patterns, and taken significant steps towards creating the life you desire. Now, it's time to hit pause and reflect on this incredible journey. Reflection is an essential part of growth. It's about taking the time to acknowledge how far you've come, celebrate your successes, and identify areas where you can continue to improve. Think of it as a progress report for your soul. Today, find a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Grab your journal and reflect on the past 29 days. What were your biggest breakthroughs? What challenges did you overcome? What lessons did you learn? Write it all down. Don't hold back. Be honest with yourself about your experiences, both positive and negative. The more you reflect, the more you learn and grow. Welcome to day 30, the final day of our 30-day transformation. Today is a day for celebration. You've dedicated yourself to this journey, and now it's time to acknowledge and appreciate how far you've come. Too often, we rush through life without pausing to celebrate our victories, no matter how small. We achieve a goal and immediately move on to the next one, never taking the time to savor the feeling of accomplishment. But celebration is essential. It reinforces positive behavior, boosts our self-confidence, and reminds us that we're capable of achieving great things. So, how will you celebrate your wins today? It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It could be as simple as treating yourself to your favorite meal, enjoying a relaxing bath, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply taking a few moments to acknowledge your accomplishments and give yourself a pat on the back. As we come to the end of this 30-day transformation, it's important to remember that personal growth is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. The habits you've cultivated, the lessons you've learned, and the progress you've made, these are not meant to be abandoned now that the 30 days are over. Think of this as a springboard, a launch pad for a lifetime of growth and fulfillment. The journey continues, and you have everything you need to thrive. Remember, transformation is not always easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way, but don't give up. You are capable of more than you can imagine. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and never stop striving to become the best version of yourself. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. As we conclude this transformative journey, remember that the principles we've explored over the past 30 days are the same ones that successful individuals like Tony Robbins live by. Consistency and belief are the keys to unlocking your potential. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more inspiring and informative videos. Share this with friends who could benefit from it as well. Now go out there, embrace the journey, and unleash your full potential.